Well, hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Alright, guys, so I know I'm a little bit late at this, but I have the collection, or at least some of the collection, which means I have some November Ipsy spoilers. Ipsy is teaming up with GiGi Gorgeous for the month of November, and we finally have some spoilers. But before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now, sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read the first comment from my last video, which was my second episode of my 13-day series, which I show you 5 scary ghost videos. Congratulations, Laura Dennis. Laura says, hi, Mandy. Why, hi, Laura. I really appreciate you having your bell on. Now, thank you so much for taking the time to watch and comment on my videos, and I love you so, so much. Now, if you yourself would like to get a shout out, remember to leave a comment under this here video. You're going to have 1 out of 2 chances of getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know. I might pick you. Now, stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. All right, guys, so we're going to go ahead and dive straight in. So, first of all, they did reveal all 3 bags for November. And it shows these 3 bags right here. And I know why they're leopard print now. They are collabing with someone else for the month of November. But this ain't just someone else. This is GiGi Gorgeous. And there's going to be a whole collection of Ipsy and GiGi Gorgeous makeup. Now, the collection is going to be called Eponymous. No, I don't think I said that right, y'all. Eponymous. Eponymous. I don't know. I don't even know how to say this word. Don't know how to pronounce it. Ain't even going to try to. Y'all see the word right there. But I'm going to show you what Ipsy has already revealed for the spoilers. And then I'm going to kind of go through her table, what's sitting in front of her in that picture, and kind of see what we can find, guys. So first, there's going to be a blush duo. This is very beautiful. Now, next, there is a contour duo. And then we see Ipsy has revealed the tapered contour brush and then a sheer pink lip gloss. Now, y'all, let's go on this table right here, right in front of GiGi where she took this picture, and we're going to be nosy and try to sort through these. So, first of all, I see 3 face brushes laying right there in front of her. So, we know there's not going to be just one brush. There's going to be 3. And then now this one thing right here, it looks like either a chapstick or it could be a primer stick. We don't know. Now, I also see a little thing of glow drops right here. And then I see this bronzer single. And then I see duos, well, I call them duo singles. You know, they're the little singles, but they got duos in them. Now, we already know there's going to be a blush one and also a contour one, but there might be more, y'all. It's going to be really exciting to see what products that they can come up with. Now, guys, we're going to get to see more of these collab products right here because GiGi is going to be doing an unveiling on her products October 13 in New York City at Ipsy Live. So we'll get to see more of the Ipsy and GiGi Gorgeous collab. And as soon as they reveal anything else, of course, you know I'm going to keep you updated. I always got to keep y'all in the loop. And as always, Ipsy is linked below if you want to go check them out. Now, guys, let's read that comment that I picked from my last video. Congratulations, Belinda Sanchez. Belinda says, hi, gorgeous. I love your blouse. Well, thank you, Belinda. It's just something I just threw on, honey. And I thank you so much for taking the time to comment and watch my videos, and I love you so, so much. Now, remember, guys, you got to leave a comment if you want a shout out. And, guys, please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. YouTube's taking my subscribers, my likes, they're taking it all. They're trying to ruin my life is what they're trying to do. But if you would double check that, make sure you're still subscribed. And if you're not, then why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free, and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept a gift, so you got to take it. So go on down there and hit that button. And then I'm going to need y'all to rate the video, but you're only going to have one option. You can only hit that thumbs up button because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago, and YouTube won't fix it. It really just shows engagement, but it also shows me what videos you guys are liking and what I need to do more of. And then I need y'all to do one more tiny thing before you head out this video. Damn YouTube. If you would, make sure your notification bell set on. That way you don't miss no more of my videos. You'll be on top of all the spoilers. You'll know more than everybody else. And that's it. That's all I got for you. And I love y'all so, so much. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.